ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದಲಿತ್ತದಾನೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. To make P0 of 28 to function as GP of P0 of 28, so we know that P1 of 16 to P1 of 31 to select, we use pin cell 2. Whereas to select P0 of 28, 28 is somewhere here. P0 of 28, this P0 of 28, we want it as GPIO. To want this as GPIO, so we have to use pin cell 1 register. Pin cell 1 register, that to 24th and 25th bit should be 00. Any bit, any port bit can act as 0 or 1 GPIO. Once after selecting either general purpose input or output, now we have to tell either it is input or output. That will be decided by IO0 DIR register. First we have made it as GPIO, general purpose IO. If we want that our system to transmit data to external device or receive data from external device into our microcontroller, so first we make that as GPIO. First we have to program that as GPIO, then we have to select either input or output. That will be selected using these registers. These are also 32-bit wide register. IO0 DIR is a register to select 0 port 0 pins. IO is input output, 0 is port 0, DIR is direction. So similar to select the direction for port 1, use IO1 DIR. Here if you want that as output, you have to make that as 1. I'll show that. 1 indicate, 1 that particular bit indicate, 1 indicate the output, 0 indicate the input. If you want that particular port bits or output, first we have to load 1 in this particular register. First we made the GPIO, general purpose input output. After that we have to select either input or output. That will be selected using IO0 DIR, IO1 DIR. 1 is for port 1, 0 is for port 0. So I will give the example here. It will be easier if you go through this. Here in this register we are loading FFFFFFF. IO0 DIR. This register will be used to select port 0. IO0, 0 is for port 0. 0 is for port 0. So FFFFFFF, 32-bit wide. So this F is 4-bit, this F is 4-bit, and so on. So this FFFF will be written like this. This is 1F, 2nd F, 3rd F, 4F, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 4 is 32-bit wide. So IO0 DIR is 32-bit wide. So here we are selecting port 0 of 0th bit as output. Port 0 of was first bit is output. Port 0 of second bit. Port 0 of third bit. 4th bit, 5th bit, 6th bit, 7th bit. Port 0 of 30th bit. Port 0 of 31 bit. All are output ports. Output. First we have selected the GPIO by using pin cell 0 register. Then we made the output by using IO0 direction register. If you want to make the input, same register, you have to load zeros here. IO0 DIR, 0000 is input. All the bits are input. If you want to select particular port bits, you don't want to select all the bits of port 0. Here in this example, port 0 of 0 to port 0 of 3. Only 4 port pins. Port 0 pins. Port 0 of 0, port 0 of 1, port 0 of 2, port 0 of 3. Want to select as output, we'll select only first 4 bits by writing this. IO0 DIR 000000F. This entire thing will be converted into 0000001111. This F is 1111. So F is 11111. This is port 0 of 0, port 0 of 1, port 0 of 2, port 0 of 3. That is what we want. Port 0 of 0 to port 0 of 3. Port 0 of 0, port 0 of 1, port 0 of 2, port 0 of 3. Will be selected as output. Rest all are input. So remaining port 0 of 4 to port 0 of 31 act as input, whereas port 0 of 0 to port 0 of 3 act as output. So in that, if you want to select only port 0 of 1, we don't want port 0 of 0 and port 0 of 2, 3, 4 till 31. We want only port 0 of 1, port 0 of 1. So this is the value, we have to load it here. If you have to write a binary from, so 000002, this 2 is nothing but 0010. This is port 0 of 0, port 0 of 1. So we are selecting port 0 of 1. as output, rest all are input. So similar to select port 1, port 1 as output. Here we have to use 1, IO1 DIR, IO0 DIR for port 0. For port 1, IO1 DIR. All the bits of port 1 act as GPIO. All are 1, 1, 1. For 0, all are input. Then you need, first we made GPIO, general purpose IO, both input and output. Then we made this specific, either it is input or output. After that we'll load the data within that. To set the data, so we use IO0 SET. This is for port 0. Input output 0 is for port 0 set means load 1 within that particular specific port pin. IO0 set. IO1 set is for port 1 bit selection. Port 0 not selection, port 1 bit setting. So we are loading 1. First we made the GPIO, then we made the either input or output. Then we are loading the value within that. If it is the output, we are loading the value and we are sending it to the external device. To set the values, we use IO0 set register, IO1 set register. IO0 set register will be used to load the values in port 0. IO1 will be used to load the values in port 1. So here, so all the port 0 bits, port 0 of 0, port 0 of 1, all are loaded with value 1. So now the port 0 of 0 have a value of 1, port 0 of 1, port 0 of 2, all have value of 1. Similar here, this IO1 set is to select port 1. This is to port 0. Port 1 is 32-bit wide. P1 of 0 to P1 of 31. All bits are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Suppose if you wanted to load only one in specific port pin. So here the example, to set only P0 of 1. I don't want to set all the bits of port 0. I want to set only P0 of 1. To select P0 of 1, so we have to, that to P0, to select P0 we have to use IO0 set. To load the value in P0 of 1 we have to use, to load value either 0 or 1 we have to use, to load a value 1 we have to use set. IO0 set. IO0 port 0 set. This is 32-bit wide. So when you convert this to a binary here, the 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. This is for port 0 of 0, port 0 of 1. So this port 0 of 1 I am setting here. Port 0 of 1 we are setting here. This is for to set port 0 of 0. This is to set port 0 of 1. This is to set port 0 of 2. Port 0 of 3. Port 0 of 4. To set any bit you can use. If you wanted to set port 0 of 31, so we have to make this bit as 1. So if you write 1 here, then what will be the value? This is 8. So we have to write here 0x8000. This is 80000. Then this is 2. This is what we have to write when we wanted to set P0 of 1 and P0 of 31. So 31 is last bit here, this bit. This is 31st bit. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this is 31. This if you want to set 31st bit of port 0 as 1. So this here we have to make it 1. So that is 8000000. This is 2. 8000. This value we have to load. Here we have to write 8. When we write this into IO0 set, the 31st bit and P0 of 1th bit, P0 of 1st bit, P0 of P01 and P031 will be selected, will be set to 1. P0 of 31 and P0 of 1 will be loaded with value 1. When we load 800002, this 8 is 10000, then 00000. We are